If you have this Levoit desktop air filter and you're looking for some replacement air filters, then you should definitely check these ones out. This is for the this one, which is the desktop, which is the LV-H128. So if you have that, then these are the filters to get. It comes in a 4-pack, so they are a perfect fit. Let me show you that down at the bottom. So yeah, just open up the bottom here. And then there are the filters here. They have the pull tab on them. I just put these in here. You can see they're a perfect fit. You got the filter there, and then the kind of like, of course, sponge filter on this side. It does say right there, the pull tab should face inward. So just make sure you put it in the correct way, just like that. And then you can see, perfect fit. So yeah, just make sure to change your filters frequently to keep your air fresh and clean. So yeah, if you are in need of some new filters for your Levoit desktop, then definitely give these a look.